Welcome, food adventurers, to a journey that will tantalize your taste buds and immerse you in a culture as rich and flavorful as its cuisine. Today, we're diving deep into the culinary heart of Mexico, Oaxaca. Known as the land of the seven moles, Oaxaca is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a true paradise for anyone who loves authentic, traditional Mexican food. Get ready to explore a world where ancient traditions meet incredible flavors, where every dish tells a story and every meal is a celebration. Let's count down the top 10 unmissable culinary experiences and local foods that make Oaxaca an unparalleled gastronomic destination. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have the iconic Tlayuda. Often dubbed Oaxacan pizza, a Tlayuda is a large, thin, crunchy tortilla, traditionally toasted over a comal until incredibly crisp. It's then slathered with asiento, pork lard, and topped with black beans, shredded lettuce or cabbage, avocado, and stringy Oaxacan cheese, known as quesillo. You can customize it with various meats like tasajo, thinly sliced beef, cecina, salted pork, or chorizo. Tlayudas are a staple of Oaxacan street food and a truly satisfying meal that showcases the simplicity and depth of local ingredients. This humble dish has a long history, dating back centuries, and is a perfect example of the ingenuity of Oaxacan cuisine. Look for street vendors in the evenings, especially around the Zocalo, for the freshest and most authentic experience. At number 9, we raise a glass to Mezcal. While not strictly a food, this smoky, earthy spirit is inextricably linked to Oaxaca's culinary identity and cultural heritage. Made from the agave plant, mezcal production is an artisanal process passed down through generations, often involving roasting the agave hearts in underground pits, which imparts its characteristic smoky flavor. Oaxaca is the undisputed capital of mezcal, producing over 70% of the world's supply. There are countless varieties, each with unique flavor profiles depending on the agave species and production method. Visiting a palenque, mezcal distillery, is a fascinating experience, offering insight into this ancient craft and, of course, the chance to sample some exquisite spirits. Remember to sip it slowly and savor the complexity. Coming in at number 8, for the adventurous eaters, are Chapulines toasted grasshoppers. Before you turn up your nose, these crunchy, savory snacks are a beloved Oaxacan delicacy, packed with protein and flavor. They are typically seasoned with garlic, chili, and lime, offering a tangy, spicy, and slightly smoky taste that's surprisingly addictive. Chapulines have been a part of the Mesoamerican diet for centuries, showcasing the resourceful use of local resources. You'll find them sold by the scoop at markets and street stalls throughout Oaxaca. They are often enjoyed on their own as a snack, or sometimes incorporated into other dishes like tlayudas or tacos, adding an unexpected textural and flavor dimension. Don't knock it till you try it. Our sweet spot at number 7 goes to Oaxacan chocolate and pan de muerto. Oaxaca is renowned for its traditional chocolate, often prepared as a frothy warm drink rather than a bar. It's less sweet and more earthy than commercial chocolate, frequently flavored with cinnamon and almonds. The chocolate-making tradition here dates back to pre-Hispanic times when cacao was considered a sacred food. During the Day of the Dead season, you'll also find pan de muerto, a sweet, soft bread often decorated with bone-like shapes, which is an integral part of the altars and celebrations. Combining a rich cup of Oaxacan hot chocolate with a slice of this seasonal bread is a truly comforting and culturally significant experience, especially during the colder months. Many local shops specialize in artisanal chocolate, often grinding the beans on site. At number 6, we're immersing ourselves in the vibrant chaos of Mercado Benito, Juárez. This bustling indoor market is an essential stop for any food lover, offering an incredible array of fresh produce, local cheeses, dried chilies, herbs, and of course, prepared foods. It's a true feast for the senses, with vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the lively chatter of vendors and shoppers. You can sample everything from fresh fruit juices and ice cream to regional specialties like empanadas and tamales. The market is also an excellent place to find local crafts and textiles, but its culinary offerings are the main draw. Exploring its labyrinthine aisles provides an authentic glimpse into daily Oaxacan life and the incredible bounty of its land. Number 5 on our list celebrates two beloved comfort food classics, tamales and empanadas. Oaxacan tamales are distinct, often larger and wrapped in banana leaves rather than corn husks, imparting a unique flavor and moisture. They come with various fillings, including mole negro, chicken with salsa verde, or rajas con queso, poblano strips with cheese. Empanadas here are typically made with a corn masa dough and are often filled with flor de calabaza, squash blossoms, huitlacoche, corn smut, or cheese. Both dishes are deeply rooted in Oaxacan culinary history and are perfect for a quick, delicious, and satisfying meal. You'll find them at street stalls, small eateries, and in dedicated tamale shops throughout the city. Taking the number 4 spot is a traditional Oaxacan dessert, Calabaza and Tacha. This delightful dish features chunks of pumpkin, calabaza, slowly simmered in a rich piloncillo, unrefined whole cane sugar syrup, often flavored with cinnamon sticks and orange peel. The result is a tender, sweet, and aromatic treat that is particularly popular during the Day of the Dead season and throughout the colder months. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying dessert that perfectly encapsulates the rustic charm of Oaxacan home cooking. You might find it served plain, or sometimes accompanied by a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of cream. It's a taste of Oaxacan tradition that warms the soul. Our bronze medal goes to the immersive experience of taking a cooking class with locals. Oaxaca is the ideal place to delve deeper into its culinary secrets by learning directly from master cooks. Many local families and chefs offer classes where you can learn to prepare traditional Oaxacan dishes, from grinding your own mole paste to making tortillas from scratch. This isn't just about cooking, it's about understanding the cultural significance of the ingredients, the techniques passed down through generations, and the stories behind the food. It's an intimate and authentic way to connect with the local culture and bring a piece of Oaxaca's culinary magic back home with you. This experience offers invaluable insights beyond just a delicious meal. Earning our silver medal at number 2 is Origen, a restaurant that beautifully blends traditional Oaxacan flavors with contemporary culinary techniques. Helmed by renowned chef Rodolfo Castellanos, a winner of Top Chef Mexico, Origen offers an elevated dining experience while staying true to the region's rich gastronomic heritage. The menu is a thoughtful exploration of seasonal Oaxacan ingredients presented with artistry and precision. Expect innovative takes on classic dishes, impeccably sourced produce, and a sophisticated ambiance. Origen is celebrated for its commitment to local suppliers and its contribution to showcasing Oaxacan cuisine on a global stage. It's a must-visit for those seeking a fine dining experience that truly celebrates the essence of Oaxaca. And finally, claiming our top spot at number 1 is the legendary Las Quince Letras. This iconic restaurant is a true institution in Oaxaca, revered for its authentic and traditional Oaxacan cuisine, particularly its exceptional moles. Run by the talented chef Celia Florian, a guardian of Oaxacan culinary traditions, Las Quince Letras is a place where every dish feels like a warm embrace from a Oaxacan abuela. Their mole negro is often cited as one of the best, a complex symphony of chilies, spices, nuts, and chocolate that takes days to prepare. The atmosphere is inviting and unpretentious, making it the perfect place to experience the true soul of Oaxacan cooking. It's more than just a meal, it's a profound cultural experience that will leave an indelible mark on your culinary memory. From the smoky notes of Mezcal to the intricate flavors of its 7 moles, Oaxaca truly is a culinary wonderland. We've journeyed through bustling markets, savored street food delights, and experienced the refined elegance of its top restaurants. Oaxacan cuisine isn't just about eating, it's about connecting with history, tradition, and the passionate people who bring these incredible flavors to life. So pack your bags, bring your appetite, and prepare to embark on an unforgettable gastronomic adventure in the heart of Mexico. You won't just taste Oaxaca, you'll experience it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great travel videos.